Welcome to Agriculture Center, guys. This is special Sunday edition, and I tell you what, I am going to show you how to calculate 2015 Toyota Vitz import duty current price in Ghana. I have patiently make more inquiries to get the right information and the right CIF before I able to provide this content, because I don't want to provide any misinformation and wrong data to my audience out there. That is what I do, and that's the philosophy. Everything I do, any information I share is that on the data, and you can find it anywhere for easy access. That is what we do here on this platform. So it's 2015 Toyota Vitz 1.5 liter, that is the cylinder capacity, because Nasi receive you didn't provide me the CIF. That means you have not bought the car yet, but you want me to do the particular video, and it will help thousands of people out there who want to purchase those kind of cars, whether Yaris or Vitz. This is also one aspect that's required to these two important cars, or any Toyota that required to this capacity or the same requirement. You can also have access to check it, and it will help you a lot. So without wasting much time, let's start it. Okay, import duty is 10% of CIF, equal to 10% times this aspect, the whole car prices. So duty inclusive base value, CIF plus duty, that is what we are going to talk about, and taxes and levies. So VAT is 2.5% against $2,500. That is what I'm using it to do this calculation, and the CIF is 3,570. So if you take it from that 2,500, we have to get 6,024.70 pesos Ghana cedi. That is the VAT. NHIR is 2.5. Taking it from $2,500 will also giving us 1,204.95 pesos. We have get fund levy, that's 2.5%, and also give us the same 1,204.95 Ghana pesos. Okay, so we have AU levy 0.2%, that is 96.40 pesos Ghana cedi. We have ECOWAS levy 0.5%, will also give us 240.99 Ghana cedi. We have EXIM levy 0.75%, and is approximately 361.49 watts pesos Ghana cedi. We have special import duty, that's 2%, and it will also give us 963.96 Ghana cedi. We have examination fee, that is 1%, and is 481.98 Ghana cedi. Let me clarify this. Somebody may ask why these levies has changed due to the last or the previous video I did. You know that this is 2015 Toyota Vitz. That means this car is not overage. So they have cut more of the penalties and the charges out of this. That is why if you buy a overage car, you have to pay more duty. So take note about it if you are watching this video. This car is only 10 years and it's not overage. That is why they have cut all the penalties and the extra charges out of it. So this is the main import duty you have to pay. So we have total estimated import duty and levies, which will give us 14,961.09 Ghana cedi approx. So we have to calculate 6,024.70 for Ghana cedi. That's the VAT. NHIR 2.5%, 1,000 204.95 Ghana cedi plus get fund 2.5% 1,204.95 Ghana cedi plus AU levy 0.2% 96.40 Ghana cedi plus ECOWAS levy 0.5% 240.99 Ghana cedi plus EXIM levy 0.75% 361.49 Ghana cedi plus special import levy, that's 2%, 963.96 Ghana cedi plus examination fee 1%, 481.98 Ghana cedi. That will give us total amount of 14,961.09 Ghana cedi approx. Note that this duty pod changes registration, handling, insurance, and other local costs. Based on standard rate, actual ICUPM/GRA assessment may vary slightly due to the exchange rate. That means you can also face different charges in the long run, that's the harbor, maybe due to the exchange rate. So don't make your mind this is the only amount you are going to pay, but they also have their own local charges and costs that you may be able to go and also pay. This will give you the right import duty as of September 2025 on the 2015 Toyota Vitz. If you want to calculate import duty costs estimates for Toyota Vitz 2015 1.5 liter, and they charge based on the cylinder capacity, so you have to also take note about that. If it is 1.5 liter, that means the cost will be cut down. If it is 1.6 liter, the cost will be a bit higher. That is what I said. The price may change due to the exchange rate. The price may vary due to the exchange rate. So let me summarize it. The year is 2015 Toyota Vitz, that's the year. Make Toyota Vitz, engine capacity 1.5 liter, purchase price 2,500 US dollars, and the CIF value is what? 3,570 US dollars. That is what we use it to calculate the import duty and the levies for you to get the main important value, the main important duty. So if you add it to the price you bought the car, then you may know what you are going to get, then you are good to go. That is the main important thing. So I have break it down for you, and I'll make this simple for you. If you are watching my video and you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, and make sure you comment as well. If anything you don't understand, please put in the comment section. I will quickly reply you ASAP, because I take my audience feedback very seriously. And henceforth, this is Ghana's #1 automotive channel that guarantee allowing you an excellent motor vehicle experience. This is what we have to do. And the next episode is going to be soccer. It's going to be awesome about 2013 Toyota Vitz import duty. So if you have requests for any import duty and I have not made the video, that means I'm also trying to get the right data, the right information, the right price, the right CIF to do the import duty calculation for you, because I don't want to spread any wrong data and wrong misinformation on my channel to my audience. That is why it takes me a bit longer to reply and do certain content about the import duty. So thanks for watching my videos. I welcome new subscribers, and I really appreciate for those who have been subscribed and still watching my video consistently. I say God bless you. Until I meet you in the next video, stay blessed, be better and not bitter. Bye bye.